Hi there, meet the Laifen Wave Electric Toothbrush, designed with a sleek blue aluminum alloy body and 3 specialized brush heads for a complete oral care routine. This advanced toothbrush uses dual-action brushing with up to 66,000 vibrations per minute and a wide 60-degree oscillating motion, following the dentist-recommended Bass technique for thorough cleaning. Its powerful proprietary servo system delivers triple the cleaning power of traditional brushes while maintaining consistent strength even against resistance. The minimalist design is not only stylish but also hygienic, featuring a seamless surface that's easy to clean and water-resistant with an IPX7 rating. You'll get 3 copper-free brush heads tailored for gum care, deep cleaning, and whitening to meet your unique oral hygiene needs. Plus, the Laifen app offers 10 customizable intensity levels, adjusting vibration strength, oscillation range, and speed to personalize your brushing experience. Elevate your daily routine with technology and design that prioritize your smile's health and cleanliness. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.